So hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So sorry about the kind of sound of this quality because recently I've been filming with my G7X and I need to find an external mic or like a separate mic, if that's the same thing anyways. I'm gonna do get ready, and I'm gonna get ready that I've never really kind of like done before. I'm trying to experiment with eyeshadows, and also I'll be wearing a beautiful wig at the end of this. This is the wig here. She's blonde, and yeah, let me just take this off because I think this isn't ready. I'll just set in my edges. I am trying out these new Fenty Beauty foundations in this video as well. 430 and 440. Probably the same thing. Come on. Oh, there we go. I feel like I want to go for this, but I feel like that's too red. So I'm going to go for that one. So I used 430. 440 was just a little bit too red for me. This palette from OBB Beauty, this is the Tropical Dreams palette, and look at the colours in there, guys. I'm actually so scared, I won't lie. But I promised myself that I will be more adventurous. I'm going to go in with this colour Fiji. I'm going to go in with Alico. By the way, I'm the worst at pronouncing names. Okay, so I'm going in and cutting my crease while trying to I couldn't concentrate at this part, so I literally had to do a voiceover instead because I literally was not saying anything. It's like my brain can't process two things at once, and because I'm like trying to do this like neatly. Anyways, I'm going with the Fenty Beauty concealer. This is in shade 390, which I'll list down below anyways, and I'm going in with the Huda Beauty powder, just powdering my face up. That's the shade Blondie, and I'm going with this beautiful Fenty Beauty bronzer, Mocha Mami. I've always wanted to try this, and it's my new favorite bronzer. So I'm going in with a Solar Crush from Estee Lauder. It's a highlighter. It's so cute. Bam, the finished look. There we go. So I didn't do too bad, if I do say so myself. So yeah. Okay guys, so look is complete. So I don't know, for some reason I just don't like colour on me. I don't like bright eye makeup on me. I just don't like it on me. But because I'm experimenting for you guys, I will obviously do more of these looks anyway. I really want to keep this hair because I think it looks so cute with this look, but I want to try this wig too, so I want to see how it looks. This company is called WIGgIT, and they sent me this beautiful wig right here. So if you guys are wondering, then this puff is from the website also. Really excited about it. Very nice company. She is. Voiceover time, because my brain can't process two things at once. So I literally put my hair down, brushed it down, and I popped this wig on my head. As you can see, it comes kind of like as a middle part, but I don't think I wanted a middle part for this synthetic wig, so I did a side part because I thought just look with the curls, with everything, the vibe of the wig, I thought it looked so cute as kind of like a side part. So I went in with some powder, pull it behind my ears. I was originally going to leave some hair out and try and do that method to kind of style it, but I realized my hair is like jet black and it just wouldn't match. So if you can see part of the lace, then I'm sorry, but you get the gist of this video. Hair's beautiful. It's a nice ash blonde, kind of golden blonde, kind of dark skin girl friendly blonde hair wig. Check out the company WIGgIT. They do loads of brands of wigs, and in the description bar I'll list down the links and everything below, so make sure to go check that out, and make sure to go check out the website. So you guys, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.